Ever ordered a cable online and it arrived the wrong length, wrong connector, or just the wrong color? There's a better way. Meet the Wassalat Custom Cable Builder, a free online tool that lets you design exactly the cable you need in under 30 seconds. Start by selecting your cable category: coaxial, Ethernet, audio, fiber, or one of 8 other types. The builder walks you through 6 simple steps. First, choose connector A, the connector on the first end of your cable. Second, choose your cable model. The menu automatically shows only the connectors compatible with the cable type you selected. Third, choose connector B, the connector on the second end filtered to match your cable type. Fourth, add a label. Need to mark your cable? Type a custom label directly on the cable. Optional, but useful for organized installs. Fifth, choose the cable color. Pick from the available options to match your setup or color coding system. Sixth, set the length. Enter any length from 10 centimeters up to 100 meters. The price updates instantly as you type. Once you're done, review the full specification in the summary panel. Download an instant PDF spec sheet or save the configuration to your account for future orders. Need multiple cables? Add them all to a single batch. 1,000 cables built this month with a 4.9-star rating. Your specs, your length, your connectors, built exactly right. Build your custom cable for free. No account needed to start. Visit wassalat.net/builder today.